Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, now we see the definition of continuity. In this chapter, in this concept, we have to define when the function is continuous or not. And for that purpose, the definition of continuity is very important. Now we see the definition of continuity. A function fx is said to be continuous at a given point x equal to a if number 1 f of a exists. Number 2, limit extends to a plus exists, means a right hand limit exists. Number 3, limit extends to a minus fx exists, that is left hand limit exists. And number 4, limit extends to a plus fx is equal to limit extends to a minus fx is equal to f of a. So if here totally 4 conditions satisfied by a given function, then we say that the given function is continuous at a given point. So this is all about the definition of continuity. Thank you.